this is my rig that I'm running on the Bassmaster Elite Series and the MPFL. And let me tell you, Trent at SonarPros has got me hooked up. Spotted dog. Hey guys, Patrick Walters here, Bassmaster Elite Series Pro, and this is my 2024 Falcon Bass Boat. I'm running 5 Impulse lithium batteries. I've got 2 Impulse lithium batteries for cranking, Group 31s, 160 amp hour batteries. That's the meat and potatoes of this boat. Cranking hours until you go home. Till to the next day, you still got cranking hours. That's what I love about this boat, non-stop. And with those Impulse lithium cranking batteries, I've got SonarPros dedicated power harnesses to all my graphs. We'll get into my graphs in a second, but that dedicated power harness is it's everything. It's the lifeline of the boat. It's what keeps everything going. It's perfect imaging, clearest graphs. Trust me, everything's working to max potential. Old Faithful, got my Yamaha SHO 250. I'm running 2 10-foot power pole blades. I've got the Siren Marine in here this year. Really excited about the Siren Marine. Some new technology coming out. Lock your stuff down. If you're worried about it, that right here is what keeps you safe. I'm running 2 graphs at the console. I'm running a Lowrance HDS 12. This is the new Pros that they're running. That's what I run on the right side of the console. On the left side, I'm running the Humminbird Helix 12. Both of these, I'm running the Humminbird mostly for Lake Masters mapping and side scan. I don't usually use I don't use any of the 2D or the DI, and for the Lowrance, I'm running the side scan as well and the DI and 2D. The Lowrance is where I put all my waypoints. Waypoint management so much better. It's just easier to kind of convert everything, save your waypoints, export by region. That's where I kind of keep everything. It's just easier. So Humminbird for Lake Masters and side scan, and then this is where the work happens. This is my front desk. This is the office. This is where if you call me in, and that's where I'm gonna be catching them. At the bow, I've got 3 graphs this year. Same setup I've basically been running for the last 3 years. The only change thing is one thing, and I'll show you all that in a minute. I'm running a Humminbird Helix 12, and that's basically for 360. That's all this graph does, is just 360. A little bit of Lake Masters every now and then. I'm running the Lowrance 12 up here as well. And all that graph does is waypoint management. It's got the 0.1 antenna, really puts you on those waypoints, and 2D. So Lowrance is 2D, and my graph from waypoints, Humminbird is the 360, and then the Garmin 8616. I switched to the 16-inch this year. This is on the Bass Boat Technologies mount. I actually have, it's actually on the Boat Logics mount with the BBT mount for the Garmin. Got the Bass Boat Technology mount at the console, but the 8616 4 live scope. I mean, 4-phasing sonar, FFS. Listen, if you're not fishing with live scope right now, you're getting beat. You have to adapt, and it's the same setup I've been running for years. And with that, I switched to the Minn Kota Quest this year. This is the best trolling motor I've ever run. I'm not sponsored by Minn Kota. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, so I run what I think is the best equipment on there, and that's why I run the Quest. Love this trolling motor. I've got my Garmin live scope for forward only. I did put, this is the newest addition that I put on here. It's the AT, the active target in scout mode. Got the low pro mount on there. Trent kind of talked me into that. I played with this really in shallow water. Really do like this. This is pretty neat, but predominantly I'm running the Garmin live scope in the 360. That's what's on my boat 95% of the time. Every now and then I go with the AT. And that's really my simple setup. It's I'm running 5 graphs. I don't have any live transducers in the back. I've just got 2 side scans. You can make it as complicated as you want to, but the thing I look about it is get the equipment that you like, that you've got confidence in, that works for you, and that's going to keep you on the water and catching fish. And with as much stuff as on here, and as nice as this stuff is, and as perfectly rigged as this, I might need to touch it up a little bit, but trust me, if you want your stuff like this and you want your equipment working as good as mine does, all you gotta do is give Trent a call at SonarPros. He'll get you rigged.